Talking to God, but yet the devil in the red. Junk so hard, it's kinda hard.
Alright, we're going to a little parking shoe. Pretty close by the hood. By like downtown. I stay in the East LA area, so. The homie said pull up. I was like, fuck it, let's go. Oh, yeah, no shit. Good. And I can sick hear the homie's turbo spool in the back. I thought it was mine for a second. It's like a little shopping center. Gotta hit the Angels only, homie. You know, at night you gotta hit just the Angel Eyes Beamer shit. Watch your cuz are out. This one park. Got to the spot. My little clapped ass Beamer. The little Jeep SRTAs, these shit are wet over here. Origins, that shit look cool in the background. The Taquache Cuz in the back. I'm gonna put over a bottle. What's up with that? Getting all ratchet? The homie street series, that shit clean.
I want to park over there, dog, get a good picture of my shit. Allá está la mía, güey. Allá está la mía con el volante en el mío. I know, hey, that shit's looking good. Ooh, you got a snap there, motherfucker.
The homie's truck, that shit looks cool right there. To be honest, yeah. Ah, you see that? Hit that shit. Boy, ratchet. Verga.
Where? The letter D.
I fuck with the homies that rap. This boy rapped it, Nardo Gray. Little carbon hood. The homie put over just 340. We're like identical. I need to check out that front plate, but I got a ticket for that shit. That shit popping and shit. M55. That shit was on sports or what?
Huh?
That shit was on sports? Let me hear it on sports. Let me hear it on sports. Oh, nah. Yeah? What can I go on sports? On some bullshit. Little Nismo. Carbon fenders. This is nice. This should drop. I like your wheels, man. Those shit are triple chrome or what?
Yeah.
Nice.
Hey, I should drive my truck like this, huh, David?
This one look cool too.
Those are 22s, good.
That shit's sick drop. We got the Hellboy SRT. Excuse me. Got the SRT boys right here in the cut. I used to want one of these. Still kind of do. Sweat. We got the badge in the front too. Hellboy, that shit look cool. The female feeling active, huh? That's just clean, huh?
Like the 22s, I know.
Oh, that's it. That's the shit you were saying too, no? Like how they put the yeah.
Combine it right here.
That shit look good.
And this is the other type of.
Yeah, I like it. I like this one style. Oh, those are the same tail lights you have, no?
Nah, those are different. Look, when I'm finished with mine, I'm gonna put that logo in the back.
Cowboy. I like this guy's Nismo. This shit's fucking rap nice.
A quick nut on that shit, huh?
Cowboy got the ambient inside too. That's right.
Queríamos volver a hacer, güey, porque quedaron muchas estiradas. Con poquito que lo estires, güey. El bumper lo tuvimos que volver a hacer, ya tenía el wrap y todo, y lo quitamos y lo volvemos a hacer, güey, porque quedó bien. ¿Está caro el wrap o no?
Cool little lineup. The homie was trying to take my parking. Man, get that truck out of here, my boy. Drive that shit like a yo. Rev that shit. Waste this nigga's gas. Throw me in the cut over there. A little troca right here burning out and shit. The homie got the Acura, dick. Doing it up. Oh, talking shit, huh?
I'm not talking shit, fool. Come on, man. Hold on. This is a clean car, fool.
This clear call, homie.
For chela, güey. I got money for chela, güey. Pues ya escucha el golfo, la verga, güey. Do your oil change, do your maintenance, do your oil change, do your maintenance, and all
The homies car look cool right there.
Yeah, niggas, I'm saying, yeah, I can only know if you put it with cheese color.
I fixed the whippies for the boy. Oh, he getting down right quick. See the camera action, boys? Get out the homie's way. Damn, cool little lineup. And it should look all limpio. It should look clean. Nah, what is this?
That's what it is, bro.
Nah, fool, that's just a little. That shit not. That's like a little fucking.
Oh, you got
A
some.
little 12 mil, pa. I'm trying to take on my plate. My homie passing me a motherfucking screwdriver. Hell nah. You don't got one? Nah. Hey. Hey, Chewy. You know how many the angles?
Have it at your front.
I had to take on my front plate right quick. That shit. Sick ass fucking.
You should have bended that shit a lot.
I know, but I should never put that bitch on, but a couple months ago I crashed my shit. The guy drove into my fucking bumper. I know she got a good ass camera.
Look at this shit right here. Look, bro.
That shit look wet.
Come here right here. Look.
It was burning out right quick. Ah, burning on a Hura car? It's like the little Fords, like the little Hura cars.
The little worker?
Yeah, that nigga burning out cool though. Y los puestos, like this is out there. Like talking about some hot wings and fries and what do you have, my boy? Oh, they got tacos right here. Oh, this shit look dang. I already ate, so I'm straight. You got the word. Truckers in the cut. They're trying to do donuts. They're like, hey, can y'all fools move right quick? We're like, for sure. I'm trying to see that shit spin too. So I'm gonna move in the cut. Let's see what that boy talking about. Trying to see that right now. Drive it till the wheels fall out. Woo! Drive it till the wheels fall out, Pop. Woo! Nigga got a Kraken on. That's right. Everybody got the cameras up.
Keep that motherfucker going, bro.
That shit was cool.
That shit going. Güey, que está conectado.
Es que está conectado la verga. Woo! That shit was smooth, pa. Oh, the Hura just came out of nowhere.
So to be honest, they were just filming YouTube. It's not.
It is, we reserve this on.
Paperwork showing that you guys reserved it.
Oh, yeah, okay. You can contact Joe as well.
Okay, well, you guys
You say you don't have permits. I never asked. You never asked for ask.
Okay, what permit do you have to allow this type of behavior to go
So
on?
to be honest, it was just a YouTube video.
So there's no permit.
We rent the lot.
Okay. Do you
They're
have
with you?
proof of that?
We do not on me, but I do.
Where do you have it?
We have to email. So you can give us an email.
Okay, well, you probably should have something on hand, right, to present.
Oh no, yeah, 100%. This is something that's wrong.
I mean, it's happened before earlier because we were on traffic stop over there. We heard it. It wasn't just one time.
But it was right now. So it was not like every day.
Where's your license at? Where's your license at?
It's my wallet.
Where's your wallet? Where do you go? So your backpack? Where are you going?
No, yeah, in the bar.
In the bar?
So I just private property.
Oh yeah, what the fuck is private property? That's weird. That sucks, fool. That nigga eating churro. Aquí está tu churro, güey. Hey, let the homie eat. Let the homie eat. Dude. Yeah, that's what you need. Some healthy shit, my nigga.
They're just waiting because they thought we were going to get
They just wanted me to do donuts.
Hey, you don't have tattoos, sí.
A la madre. Ah, straight, gracias. Fuck, the homeboy look outside. I feel him.
Oh, he does, right?
I don't even want to leave the lot no more.
It is a crime.
Ah, down there taking that fool. That's fucked up.
Hey, don't talk shit, bro. They're not gonna let us go. Fuck. I didn't get out of here, though. I'm saying I'm hot. Look, I'm trying to get out of here with no fucking
that fool's on private property and they arresting this nigga.
Hold it toll one by one.
Oh, what? Let him go? Hell no, dude. The homie was telling me to do that shit. I was like, fuck that. Yeah, they let the boy go. Private property, my boys. Ah, no, yeah, close that shit. Huh? No damn prank, boy. That's the hoorah. What, dig, fool? Because you thought he was going to get arrested? Dig, I would have been tripping too. But this is private property.
It is? Why? What does it say?
¿Qué te dijeron? ¿Qué te dijeron?
No, pues que no me deje llevar por las personas.
Sí, sí, sí. Aquí quédate parqueado un ratillo.
Ya me voy ahí.
Ah, nada, ten cuidado. That's because of this fool right here.
¿Qué va a salir al último?
Ahí te van a estar esperando allá afuera, pa.
Ya sé, güey.
Yo, Sammy. You're stupid if you leave right now, güey.
I don't even want to leave right now, fool. Hey, the hoorah's gonna be out there waiting.
I'm gonna let everybody leave and I'm gonna post something to you.
Kunismo. A92. My shit look way better when I on front plate. The homies in the back. This might just be the outro.
Hey, dude.
See what's up. See what's up. What gets cracking on the next meet.
Those are texting.